I am going to show you the easiest way to have Kali Linux installed as a virtual machine. We are going to do this on VMware Workstation Pro. And if you want to get a copy of VMware Workstation Pro, I did a previous video of that where you can get that hypervisor and you can install a lot of good virtual machines. I think it's way better than Oracle VirtualBox. Let's begin our installation process. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to visit the website for Kali Linux, kali.org, kali.org. And as soon as we get to kali.org, if you look down here, we have a place where you can download the image. I'll click download. And I would come here. These are the images, but I don't want us to use images this time. I'll do another video on how you can deploy Kali from images. But the easiest method you can use is just get a virtual machine. It's already pre-built for you. All you have to do is just to download it and unzip it and have it running. I'll click on this one, it's recommended, virtual machine. And I would take the 64-bit architecture. This one is 3.1 gigabyte. You can download it as a torrent, or you can just do a direct download. So I will click on this one, 3.1 gig. And where do I want to save it? I'll probably just save it on my desktop and I hit save. So it's going to download that package and it's going to take a few minutes. I have very good internet speed, so it's going to be 5 minutes for me. And for you, depending on your internet speed, it could take a long time or a short time, depending on your bandwidth. The next thing we are going to do while that is downloading, I want to introduce you to this software. I know a lot of you use WinZip, but let's talk about WinRAR. WinRAR is actually a free software. It's I would call it a bagware, where you can actually use it and buy a license if you choose to do so. So I can go to winrar.com or RARLabs. This is RARLab.com. And at RARLab.com, I would come to download. Click on download, and I will download the very first one. I am using a Windows 11. I'm just going to download this one, WinRAR 64-bit 7.01. I click on that, it's going to give me the image. I'll also download that on my desktop. And all I have to do, it's a very small package. We just have to open and install it. Here we are, WinRAR 64-bit. I'll open that. And I will go to my desktop. This is WinRAR on the desktop. I will double click on it and install it. It's asking you, I want to install, yes. And I say install. And the installation is taking place. I'm asking you to open all files, ISO, RAR files, zip files with this utility. And that's all. That's how easy it is. So once our image is downloaded, it's still in progress, we are going to go ahead and unzip it. So our download is complete, and now I would go on my desktop. And on my desktop, you can see this is my Kali Linux, the virtual machine I downloaded. And it's a VMware product. However, the extension is .7z. So WinRAR can open .7z. So I'm going to right click since I already installed WinRAR. And I'm going to say, I'm going to move to WinRAR. I'm going to say extract to Kali, the third option, to Kali 2024. So it's going to extract it and it will create a folder with the same name as the original image. And that should take a few minutes. The extraction is completed. I'm going to refresh my desktop. And you can see this is the folder that is created with the image for Kali Linux. I'm going to open this folder. And our job is pretty much done. You can decide to move this folder and put it in your My Documents or wherever you're comfortable. I will just leave it here on my desktop since we're doing this class. And I'll open this folder again. And if you look here, you're going to see this is your Kali virtual machine. And the next thing we are going to do is, if you look here, we have the virtual machine configuration. Virtual machine configuration. This is almost the grayed out white image. So I'll double click on that. And as soon as I double click on that, it's gonna open my VMware workstation. Let me drag that to the right screen for you. I double click on that and this is what I have. VMware workstation is launched, and you can see here it's given a name Kali. All I have to do is hit the power on button, and my friend, you have Kali up and running. We'll give it about 1 or 2 minutes to boot, and then we'll log into the virtual machine. And that's it. It's really easy. The next thing we are going to do is we're going to put in our username. It's going to be Kali, and the password is going to be the same thing, Kali. And we log in. There we go. This is Kali Linux. We can start our ethical hacking. We can start playing with our terminal and a lot more stuff. So you can really see that this installation is really, really easy. Unless you have some specific requirements where you want to create some different kind of partitions and file systems. This is more than enough to get going, like more than enough. And it'll take you less than 5 to 6 minutes. So depending on your internet speeds, by the way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hey, don't forget to like and to subscribe my video, okay? That's the only thing I'm asking you to do. If you don't like and subscribe on this video, I'm going to ask you for an offering, okay? Thank you.